children. In yesterday's class, we have learned first paragraph. Okay. Third lesson, first paragraph we have learned. Okay. प्यारा गांव का अर्थ बोली ना मैं. प्यारा का अर्थ है लवली, गांव का अर्थ है विलेज. और इस पाठ का विधा भी बोली ना. इस पाठ का विधा क्या है माँ? संवाद, कन्वर्सेशन बोल के बोली. कल के पाठ में, कल के कक्षा में हम क्या सीखे थे? बोलिए. दो बच्चे थे बोल के बोली ना मैं. बच्चों का नाम क्या है? लड़का का नाम हाँ रमेश, लड़की का नाम रानी. उन दोनों को कौन से छुट्टियां मिले माँ? गर्मी के छुट्टियां मिले. मीन समर हॉलीडेज. दे गॉट समर हॉलीडेज. ओके. इन दिस लेसन two children are there. Girl name is Rani, boy name is Ramesh, and these two children got summer vacation, summer holidays. Okay. So their grandfather came to take to the village. Okay ma. And what they did? Early morning they started to go to village. And how they went to village? By bus or what? Yeah, they went to village by train. रेल से वो लोग गांव निकले थे. कब निकले? दोपहर निकले क्या? शाम को निकले क्या? नहीं. कब निकले माँ? सवेरे. सवेरे मीन्स व्हाट? अर्ली मॉर्निंग. अर्ली मॉर्निंग they three started going to village, and that too by train. Okay ma. Next, when did they reach to village? Yes, when did they reach to village ma? Evening. By evening they reached their village. Okay. At railway station, who was there? Who was waiting to pick up them? Tell me. Yeah, yes, uncle. These two children, uncle, चाचा जी. ऐसे you know, चाचा जी. चाचा जी उनके लिए इंतजार कर रहे थे. ओके. एंड from railway station to their village, how they went? By bullock cart. How ma? bullock cart. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? बैलगाड़ी. क्या बोलते माँ? बैलगाड़ी. और सड़क के ऊपर जाते समय में कैसे गए थे? बैलगाड़ी कैसा गया था? खेतों के किनारे किनारे. मीन्स edge of the fields. The bullock cart was going edge of the fields. Means they can able to see total nature, fields, all the fields. They can get fresh air. They can enjoy the journey. Isn't it or not? Suppose if we go by bus or by car, total packed will be there. If we go by bullock cart, the journey will be very beautiful. We'll get fresh air. That too from the middle of the or near beside of the fields, means we will get fresh air. Okay. So we feel very pleasant. We feel very, very pleasant and peace. Okay ma. Fresh air is very good for health or not? In the villages only we will get fresh air, not in the cities. Already I said in yesterday's class that in cities so much pollution will be there because of vehicles and also because of factories. But in the villages not like that. So many trees will be there. Beautiful nature we can see. We can enjoy with the nature and we will get fresh air. We won't get any diseases and our heart will be very peace. Okay, up to here you have learned. Next, see in your book ma. खेतों के किनारे किनारे चलने लगी. खेतों में किसान काम कर रहे थे. So they were moving edge of the near the fields. खेत means fields, already I said to you. And what they can able to see all the beside the roads in the fields. खेतों में किसान means in the fields. Farmers. किसान means farmer. किसान means farmer. Okay. Farmers are doing their work. काम बोले तो work. काम का अर्थ क्या है माँ? Work. काम का अर्थ है work. काम का अर्थ वर्क. ओके. तो किसान काम कर रहे थे. पशु चर रहे थे. पशु बोले तो बोली मैं आपको एनिमल्स, काउस, बफेलो, शीप, गोट एक्सेट्रा. तो पशु क्या कर रहे थे? चर रहे थे. चरना का अर्थ ग्रेजिंग. मीन्स ईटिंग ग्रास एक्सेट्रा. ओके, चरना का अर्थ है चरना. चरना का अर्थ है ग्रेजिंग. ओके, animals are eating the grass. Okay, we can say animals are grazing. गांव की हरियाली देखने लायक थी. गांव की हरियाली मीन्स विलेज ग्रीनरी इज रियली वर्थ सीइंग. रियली वर्थ सीइंग मीन्स वेरी वेरी वंडरफुल टू सी. ओके माँ, देखना देखना बोले तो टू सी, देखने लायक बोले तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, वंडरफुल है, उसका अर्थ वो है वंडरफुल. ओके, बातों बातों में घर आ गया. सो दे वर टॉकिंग, दे आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द नेचर, दे आर डिस्कसिंग, दे आर एंजॉयिंग द फील्ड्स, दे आर एंजॉयिंग द नेचर. ओके, and they are unable to know when their house came, that much they became very busy by enjoying the nature. Suppose we also ma, if we are very busy in anything while talking, if we are doing anything work that we don't like or anything else, if we are doing any work, what will happen while talking, while chit chatting, we can complete the work easily. Unknowingly we can complete very fastly. Unknowingly we can complete very fastly. ओके, दादा के बाद घर में कौन है? दादी जी है, दादी है. तो दादी से मिले. क्या करे माँ? दादी से मीन्स दे मेट टू देयर ग्रैंडमदर. दे मेट टू देयर ग्रैंडमदर. दादी जी ने बहुत लाड प्यार किया. See children, more than our parents, grandparents will love us very much. They show love and affection. So much means so much, isn't it or not? Our parents, if we do any mistake, our parents will shout on us. That also for our good sake only, because we should not do mistake. But grandparents, they will say very softly, isn't it or not? They won't shout on us. They show so much love and affection on us. So like that only here also the children's grandmother showed her love and affection. लाड प्यार बोले तो love and affection. सवेरे दोनों दूध पीकर दादाजी के साथ गांव घूमने निकले. Next morning what did they do? Early morning they drank the milk. They both, Rani, Ramesh, they both drank the milk, and what they did, they went with his grandfather to see the village. गांव घूमने, गांव means village, घूमना means wandering. Wandering we can say, walking we can say, okay, to roam we can say, roaming we can say. Okay ma, they went to see the village. रास्ते में बातें करते हैं means on the way, they are going while talking. They are going while talking. रास्ता means on the way. रास्ता means what ma? On the way. Next, अब दादाजी इस तरह बोल रहे. Now grandfather is telling like this. First दादाजी means grandfather is telling like this. देखो, देखो means see. सामने कमलेश काका आ रहे हैं. In front Kamlesh uncle is coming. Grandfather is telling to the children that in front Kamlesh uncle is coming. Kaka means in English uncle only, no. Generally kaka means we can brother, father's brother also we can say. Okay. इन्हें प्रणाम करो. Grandfather is telling to the children, you do namaste. We can say salute, namaste. Whenever children, if we meet or if we see to any elders, what we should say? First of all, we should say namaste. By folding our two hands, we should say namaste. That is our Indian culture, isn't it or not? We will do or not? Surely we must and should do like that. Okay, we have to show, we have to give respect to the elders. Are you understanding ma? So immediately what the children did? दोनों ने कमलेश काका को प्रणाम किया. They both did namaste to कमलेश uncle. Okay? वे बच्चों को देखकर खुश हुए. By seeing to these two children, कमलेश uncle also felt very happy. Are you understanding? Okay. Next. Now next conversation, Rani's. Next conversation who's ma? Rani's. Rani is telling that कमलेश काका क्या काम करते हैं? कमलेश काका क्या काम करते हैं? रानी इज asking to her grandfather that what would Kamlesh uncle do? What would Kamlesh uncle do? Means what job he will do? What is his profession? Like that, who is asking, ma? Rani is asking to grandfather. Rani is asking to grandfather. Up to now, have you understood? Have you understood up to now? First, what happened? First, who stays in city, ma? Who stays in city? In city, Rani, Ramesh. They both used to live in city. They got summer holidays, and in summer holidays their grandfather came to take them to village. Okay. Next day early morning they started to village. They went by train. Afterwards, in the railway station, his uncle was waiting to pick up them. From there, they went by bullock cart. While going on the way, they enjoyed the nature more. And after going to the house, they met to their grandmother, and grandmother showed lot of love and affection. Next day early morning, both the children drank the milk and they started to see they went to see the village with their grandfather. Okay, while going on the way, first they met to Kamlesh uncle. Okay, ma? And grandfather said to do namaste, to salute, to do namaste to Kamlesh uncle, and these two children did the same. Okay, whatever he said, they did. Okay, ma? And Rani is asking that what would Kamlesh uncle do? Up to here understood, no? Okay, once I will read the paragraph, just you listen carefully, ma. रानी और रमेश 8वीं कक्षा में पढ़ते हैं। गर्मी की छुट्टियों में दादाजी उन्हें अपने गांव ले जाने के लिए आए। सब मिलकर सवेरे रेल से निकले। गाड़ी में बड़ी भीड़ थी, फिर भी जैसे तैसे बैठने की जगह मिल गई। शाम तक गांव पहुंच गए। वहां स्टेशन के पास चाचा जी बैलगाड़ी लेकर तैयार थे। बैलगाड़ी खेतों के किनारे किनारे चलने लगी। खेतों में किसान काम कर रहे थे, पशु चर रहे थे। गांव की हरियाली देखने लायक थी। बातों बातों में घर आ गया। दादी जी से मिले। दादी जी ने बहुत लाड प्यार किया। सवेरे दोनों दूध पीकर दादाजी के साथ गांव घूमने निकले। रास्ते में बातें करते हैं। दादाजी, देखो सामने कमलेश काका आ रहे हैं, इन्हें प्रणाम करो। दोनों ने कमलेश काका को प्रणाम किया। वे बच्चों को देखकर खुश हुए। रानी, कमलेश काका क्या काम करते हैं? समझे माँ यहाँ तक? ओके, अब सभी क्या करना चाहिए? अब सभी मैं कहाँ तक आपको एक्सप्लेन करी वहां तक लेसन रीडिंग करना चाहिए। लेसन रीडिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके माँ, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? ओके, थैंक यू।